Hey everyone, in this quick guide I will show you how to create a Lorex account so you can connect and manage your security camera with ease. Let's get started. First, download and open the Lorex Home app on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, check out my video on that. On the home screen, tap to sign up at the bottom. Here, all you need to do is fill up the information. After filling in your information, tap Create Account or Get Activated Code. Congratulations, you have just created your Lorex account. Now you can start adding device and securing your home. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more smart home tips. Drop any questions below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.